See, a lot of folks say they broke, but they really just don't know where their money went. You ain't broke, you just blind to your own spending. You got DoorDash in one hand, Amazon boxes on the porch, Starbucks in the cup holder, and you talking about the system holding me back. Nah, nephew, the system ain't your problem. Your spending system is. You don't need a bigger paycheck. You need a smaller ego. You keep blaming your income, but the truth is, your outcome looking real suspicious. Every dollar you spend should have a reason. If it don't, it's a leak. And right now, your budget got more leaks than a group chat secret. You say you want freedom, but you can't fix what you refuse to face. The truth is, money's not emotional, it's mathematical, but you treat your account like it's a mood ring. I feel like I can afford it, you say, till your balance starts speaking in tongues. You ever buy something dumb, then try to justify it like, I deserve this? That's not self-care. That's self-sabotage in a shopping cart. You tell yourself you'll save later, but later never comes, cause now keep spending it. You're looking for financial miracles when you really need financial math. If your paycheck disappeared before your next one even land, you don't need a raise, you need a ruler. Because math don't lie, you do. And your bank statement's been trying to testify, but you keep shouting amen while ignoring the numbers. So here's the fix, plain and simple. Step 1, know your numbers, don't guess. Calculate. Every dollar should have a job before it hits your account. Step 2, audit your habits, because your biggest expense might not be your rent, it's your impulse. Step 3, stop letting temporary emotions create permanent financial problems. Every time you swipe in frustration, you volunteer for the struggle you prayed to escape. When you treat your paycheck like a mission instead of a miracle, your math will finally start mathin'. And remember, God can't multiply what you refuse to manage. The same discipline that fixes your money will fix your mind. Start small, not perfect. Every time you tell your money where to go, you teach it how to stay. You don't need to be a genius with numbers. You just need to be honest with yourself. You keep trying to skip steps, but you can't cheat math, nephew. 2 + 2 gonna equal 4 whether you feel like it or not. So stop praying for a miracle when what you really need is a calculator. Check your math before you check your blessings. Cause prosperity don't come from passion. It comes from proof. And the proof is in the planning. You ain't cursed. You just unorganized. Get your math right. Get your mind right. And the money will follow. And I'm not Ted. I'm your Unc. But thank you for coming to my talk. Money talk, that is.